Hi, I have a request to do a video related to Oya and using in progress. So to provide a bit of context here, I didn't use Oya in progress and instead I use it with Nature or with Jasmine, Fafnir or with Fire Siblings and Tristan. It's because I think Oya is a very good hero and I don't think that adding Oya to progress will improve progress too much, whereas adding Oya to nature will improve nature team a lot, or adding Oya into Tristan, Fire Siblings, or into Jasmine, Fafnir improve a lot of the team. So into these two teams. Okay, nature is Mojo, Masi, Albanor. Okay, adding Oya in this team improve a lot of the team. Adding Oya to this team Jasmine, Asta, Tristan, and Fafnir. Okay, you can use a different time of Asta. I think Asta is the best with Jasmine. Or adding Oya into Fire Siblings will also have a lot of improvement. Okay, so this is the main reason that I didn't thought about progress, and the reason I didn't thought about progress is progress is already a very good team. So having adding Oya will not improve much more the team. It's true that now if you add Oya into progress team, you will be able to, let me show you progress team first. 1 second. For a progress team is usually Judge, Isaac, and Julius. Okay, so adding Oya to this team, it will make the team better versus Taff because Oya is a hard counter to Taff because you pick up Artemis, which is the damage dealer, and then the team is almost over. Or versus Progress itself, it will work also because you will pick up the damage dealer, which in that case will be Astrid or Ginger. Okay, so Ginger or Astrid, but it's not like you are making really much stronger the team versus any other team. So to test this, what I have prepared in advance, we go to my teams, is I have prepared a couple of teams for the test. So I added Eternity, added two versions of Octavia. I prefer this version particularly. I think it's better, the one with Martha at the end. I added two versions of Progress, the one with Astrid, the one with Ginger. Both of them use Nebula. And then Octavia Jasmine, traditional Taff, Taff with Oya. At the same time, Taff with Oya, I don't think there is a really big improvement. I think it works much better with Jasmine. Then the version of Oya with Tristan and the Fire Siblings. Okay, Fafnir with Fire Siblings, Nature, traditional Nature with Aiden, Nature with Oya, Amira, Lian, and finally a combo of Chaos with a little bit of Eternity. Okay, in that case, faceless. Okay, so the results, let me go to the results. Sorry, I was doing a lot of tests before. Okay, starting here, 10-0 for progress, despite using Astrid. Okay, 4-6 and 1-9 versus the same Octavia team. This is the randomness of Octavia. It's a clear example of how much random is the Octavia team in defense. But you see, you're not able to beat Octavia versus progress, 10-0 and 10-0. So yes, you have progress and you don't have anything else to beat progress, then you will go with this. But being honestly here, like to beat progress, now you have a Masi, Sesa, Aiden. You have Nature with Oya. You can use also Nature without Oya. You will be able to beat. In this case, with this, you need to use Iris. With this, you need to use Aiden. Okay, so Nature with Aurora, Iris, or Nature with Aurora and Aiden will beat this team. You can use, as I mentioned before, Sesa, Aiden, and Masi also will beat this team, this progress team. Or you can go with Clever, Luther, Taff. There are some things you need to be careful with Nebula and Ginger timings, but you have other options. So using Oya to kill progress, I don't think is a good call. But if you don't have these teams, then yes, build Oya, a very dirty Oya, and you will be able to beat progress using progress. Then the next one was versus Jasmine Oya, 1-9. Okay, the reason is because he pick up Astrid, Oya pick up Astrid, and then it's almost game over. Then versus Taff, 10-0 with Oya, as again, before Taff will beat this team, but now Oya picks Artemis, and then there is not Artemis anymore, so you cannot do a lot of. Versus Taff with Oya, as I say, this team doesn't make too much sense. Then versus this team, which is the one that I like it, like Fire Siblings with Tristan and Oya, 0-10. You cannot do anything against this. Versus Taff with Fire Siblings, 0-10. And the main reason is Oya is hard countered by Keira, because Oya is going to pick up Keira, and it's okay because Keira already jumps in the middle of the team, so you don't care. Indeed, it's going to pick up and move offside Keira when Keira is going to come back, because the loss of the life of Keira has reduced to of Kayla has been reduced by 25%. So really, using Kayla, you will be almost always counter Oya, okay? Then versus the traditional nature team with Aiden, 3-7. The main reason of this because my Aurora needs a lot of improvement, okay? But as you see, there is no benefit from progress using Oya if you have here a nature team. Nature team with Oya, which has improved a lot, 0-10, you cannot do anything. Versus Amira Lian makes sense because the damage dealer that you have here is only Amira, and what is going to happen is they are Oya is going to pick up Amira, kill Amira, and then this team doesn't have anything because you are going to be waiting for Amira to ultimate, but Amira is dead. Then finally, this version, the version of Aiden Sessa with Faceless Jorgen, okay, 10-0 for the Oya version. Very similar theme, it will pick up Sessa and then the battle is over. And then I have test versus the team I was mentioned, so the traditional tough team, but instead of using Artemis, sorry, you use Kayla, and then you see before this was 10-0 for the progress team. Now in the moment that you change Artemis and you push Kayla, it's a 4-6 in defense, and you see like it's a hard counter at the end of Artemis tough lines, but the moment that you change Artemis for something else, then it's not Artemis, and something else that works like Kayla, okay, don't put Astrid or something because it will still not work. Okay, the results are totally different. Okay, so hope it helps. And before leaving, I will show you like what is my current status of Oya. No matter you have an idea, it's not maxed out, so take this into account. Where is Oya? Here. Okay, all the gears are finally done. Skin is done. Artifacts, I have weapon 100 max out. The book is 100, but 5 stars. The ring is 6 stars, but I only have level 90. I would like to have level 100, but I don't have ring orange gears. And then glyphs, I have everything done except the magic defense glyph. Okay, so except the magic defense glyph and this artifact that is 5 stars and this that is 90, everything else is done. So it's really close to max out Oya. So I don't think having a max out will have different results. So take this into account also, and hope it helps.